Abusankana for ni bi abage command actually your vice president Professor Jane Naana Opoku-Agyeman omu chere say asa oya your bad time bi a one oni abadaye two oni tema emanipa oni ntimobro oni abadaye ni tema ne nsunu mu nya ne ya amanipa so bi wa amaniem a on feel hwe emanipa kro omu abeka sa de ntia omu kan de abusan mema wonchiremu no akere wadwen e de amame ai Penyah broken the best was say ni demo obe like video na da ma bros subscribe button sabe click notification code for this abis number chere wadwen da mame e wo comment section oba so a no che voice enya bia hwe ne be kan phone nala money send up ena de ama no la for say for me promo code Penyah TV SNS ka ever coffee na o be charge $20 omu transaction so dey in fact e very fast smooth transaction o send ya na akodru Ghana na ho na no ya sa charge $20 for free e nala nko a ana e ma such an amazing offer and package also mo ho a what was got to watch. Let's go to the so busi man fan kwachiri kakra obekaya. It was 28th July 2025 mu ana Asante Achim Obogu Savior Church members youth no omuko program bia na omu ebe fie na fofi an twata enkoda 16 no car no konya accident ema omu nyina awuye youth no mako program a omu bo mako church program a omu ba fie omu konya accident e wo Obogu ema enkoda 16 no omu nyina to na nanom sie do ade we si ya no Ghana panyini bia nsi ho yewo vice president a oyo ba besia enim se ema wa abadaya ema wo tema wansi ho. She said she never visited to console the family of the deceased wansi ho no mo ema ni 3 days time 31st July yekosie nkora no ya ema media no so amanfo de abufuo ebe kasa ebe bubo madwen be blast ye ema assemble ebe bubruja on the internet am faka say enti enkura pa 16 ewu yewo president ewo Ghana ha yewo vice president oyo oba yewo gender ministry omunyina obiansi ho anko sympathize with the families of enkoda no obiansi ho no mo ena fofia antwata 6 August Wednesday omanebo ama any Mutara Muhammad mo any 6 other people ekonya plane crash omunya accident no that day na etu nipa duru omanebo ama mu fi eko sympathize with the family just nipa no hu hia ebi hu hia esini bi ewo Ghana ba kwa nyina jetire no ebi hu hia sini bi ema Ghana for ne de bo empanimfo na chi se he just mo no mo be mo kire se enkura sis no mu ya de omunya nipa just omanebo ama mu ya de moduru fie na Ghana for de abufuo ebe blasting penifo no so 3 days time after so manebo am ewu ye no 9th August ana eseri ketiamo ene da Ashanti regional ya Ashanti regional DC chairman no ene Ashanti regional the Ashanti regional minister Frank Amakohene ene some party leaders ni bi ekopie mu onkura ni bi fie ene ho no omo sympathize with the senka Ghana for am bo machi dia enka omu anka hwe ema that time no Jane Naana wansi ho oba besia ye maame wansi ho no mo wanse ntubofo bia anko ho no mo enti ano na Ghana for de bufu e kan se na maame kura se bi wo ye de ya because ye nse ko ba tan de o abadaye e ma nipa o wo tema wa yimihie ma nipa enkura sisi awu na ba tan wo mfa ho je se enye wasem one make it post bia kro feel je se you never as asem kura one te e wo Ghana ha and am so e ma ni spokesperson special aid ama prat e be kat o asem no de nyame nukure ni Jane Naana wante nwasem ote yankobe take action accident yesi ama media so all over the internet TikTok bia media national television o bia kan wasem Jane Naana say wante say asem because Ghana hanamo ote yankobe reply enko anka obe show concern wante it from that time no ana mafaka say there be mami as we heartless oni tema ni abadaye manipa oye insensitive oni ayamhihie manipa oni tema manipa on filihwe emanipa na sansa manfo kan no asiye no kure bisa nanse yen ana there was a flooding in Accra flooding happen ama amanfo luso bu fie edise si nipa omawu omutwam 34 ejapade asese omomo luso mu capitals bebrebe esi ye that day no president take action but no the helicopter and go fair wiem e go where the distraction akoso any ade but stepping down to have personal touch with the people because Abraham opposition no BBC now you go there in person you go there ekonya personal encounter with omu no a omu atrenche we atu mu na wo kɔ ebi na ase enom konya personal touch ba sa no kwa momunya enigye at least president no odwene ye ho do se okono ama na hwe kura na onya arechichire se arechichire ewo nipa ho onya arechichire bi president anko visit obi a or the plane elekọ situation no nanke nim se Jane Naana vice president oyo obabesia no at least obekọ grounds akọ have a personal touch with the people Jane Naana nsi baby we nsi ho ema ba omia no kwa na ono tifie no ba omia na visited grounds ekoma omo some items bi ni ade bi chese na abese na ne maami no because o about your 2024 na Jane Naana ka ho bi na mahamanya ye because Ghana for nya adwum se wo any oba na wa beka ho ne de one obadwene ema ene nkoda ho enti ema ne nyina di maami na chikoto oba e de mama hama but the name ekọ no asa maami no onfa Ghana fo bia ho asa atroncham bibi tu obi a enye nasem onfa ho asem asi wensi ho but the next day yeah Thanksgiving service na Jane Naana wa asie bi atroncham si ye no wenuru ba bia camera capture say o ba bi say o convert wan take wensi ba bia but ade chi yeah Thanksgiving service no think wa bofufuo mu wa tutu white eguso akopiem Thanksgiving service ase I don't Ghana for say that mami we insensitive oni tema ni abada ema nipa oni tema on Philip bia we nipa dua mu ema nipa ntomu no abai kan wadwen a kire Jane Naana okukwa jema
president together with the NDC they are insensitive. The worst of all, the vice president who is a mother who should have known better, who was moving from one market to the other prior to 2024 election, yes, asking them for their mandates. See, I am not doing politics, but I am being real to you this morning that in any serious situation, the vice president, if your president could not visit the people, the vice president who is a mother, who saw children dying, who begged this woman to vote for her, she only sat in her room. 2 days after, went to sit on a podium in white apparel, dancing Palogo and Adowa, and you want me to sit here and poo-poo that they have done what I should clap for them. Please help me. I will not do that. Did what? So that I will not do that. Please stop it.
Now I want to understand.
Please, you can listen to me. Take notes.
No, so that's why
I will not. I said the vice president failed to visit the victims.
It was wearing some white apparel.
During the National Thanksgiving prayer service.
But you quoted the Bible. You started by quoting Bible. So
hold on.
You believe in the Bible and the person.
I will take you to what crisis management, and you understand that when there are serious crises, you don't go and mount a puppet and be praying when people are dying. You need to first of all rescue the people.
Let us just put it out there. Because that 3 million government even talks about in there. Chicken change for challenges amount for good. Will be 18 shops actually. Yini pa ya shreflo ya mfama because look at there who share enye yi sika bia odi mama bia no enye yi obi 15 shops ashe obi whole poultry farm nkoko be 5,000 beds ko share 300 crates or so the sika odi ko to feed egu baby obi ne yere fashion shop amabie completely gone young guy akofa fiefu for hotel one ne yere Bibia gone down. Obini ni ma4. And now you can say, Dr. Nia, ono suni dan yina, insure faswa, baby or damn, you'll be shocked. You can say people still don't have a place to live. Yeah. You know direction bia from Nadbuana sa ban agency bia country say, Mo sa bia we no. Monko this particular area. Monko this particular area. Abaya bosisi, Nadmo bosisi biwa. It is for the time being no. Mo wa say because how they can guarantee. Say, they no musa kan yan say. Insure them muna. Enti munkope munhye dem mamumpie munhye dem mamumpie munhye dem enso dana munso yiri fam yes enti ankwan enti aban fa wiem nyina no wa ntimi identify certain places in Accra here ga west for betimi akọ ga east for betimi akọ abosese kakra for the time being because enya bibia sa how are we solving the problem
or the scare by 350 million
that is nothing to write home about nyoma nipa go through no e be irreplaceable enti mesre Yenya manyo sema ahobeba mfaso dia bre o mani animunifo but ayamanyo sema ye no obi a president dia korom because ukowura manyo sem wi a engontabu onye wasem biem nipa ebre enye wasem biem nipa tete ne onko danda enye wasem biem de onima se o yan se o yan hwehwe anim na de bia dane bloggers di wachi a utwitwa neoma o num kafia na watwa bre o se shu foforo na watwa bre o se fu lanku sema na approach it nim say now they are trying. This is exactly what is going on. There's too much fun in governance this time around. Too much fun. Too much fun. It's just to show off another day. Reality is that you said by year Juma mo my Ghana and Timin Konkai. Stop the comparison. Stop it. Stop now where Hono Ban and Koye say stop it. You are there. Check it. Because that is why Yebu Amano Babia break it down. Babia Maya. Charles Bisu 20,000 Ghana City. Omaya bo OSP hooker for 7 years. 20,000 Ghana City bribery allegation. We've not come to a conclusion. Nesika you investing in the 20,000 up and down on the part of OSP. We're not bothered about Charles Bisu. But 20,000 bribery allegation are running for 7 years in this country. What are we doing? Why? How? Why? I don't know. You see, I am very scanty. My Bobby said it to my foka. Very scanty resources, but you wasted a lot of the money. We wasted a lot of the money. Obejina odona yanka saswa. Abai bai okacho ebia anamu awotu in terms of sika or the akose or the clear sa odona anymore. It's not different from what the MPP did. Asensu Boachi Breso. Over 400 and something million. Desilting and making sure say Odona ebeyi Odona dey rai. So yesremo mo piapia ye kwa kakra in short tap on chani pe no koje wo. Mwana montu na mutu nyina no aban especially this government. If you have Ghanaians at heart, if you mean your reset, and then Papa Chomon go back to the drawing board. Because when you raise criticisms, now they don't agree to, now they want to fight you, now they want to insult you. What is this? What is this?
Normal.
And yet, a dear way abnormal. We should not accept to say normal. And then when you raise important issues, it doesn't matter how it makes the government looks. Once that issue raised is in the interest of the country called Ghana and your governance, you have to support what we are doing. But in opposition, we raised all these manner of issues. You came to us. You joined hands.
Yes.
You promised us. Say mo nyesa nyoma we aban we eyenibi. Now the dear Nasisa. Dear Nasisa.
Said the position as
no.
At the time it was in opposition.
But that is where the challenge is.
Opposition.
That is where the challenge is. Because with him, the Abe say obedi nkugo no asa babeka se sansem na mo kan nyina no na enu krepa onke tie ya enya wo na wantie na party antos na me ya wo ya daje ani bra wase na ma Ghana ye nyina ya boka
yeah
enu ma bebre wo no na nke tu ho na mo a yamfa nya amanyo se yamfa nya agudie ya chi nipa so na e bokoko ana ma ehuto nipa so a eka sabre ye nura enu ma bebre demolition as abagana ha Edian Pemu de one to sustained. Ramsar site. Next year. Obi abesini dying.
You best be jina class.
Next year. Onyame de chair. Obi abet was in the kiosk. We resume voice a pair. Umpa bani ye. Umpa bani ye. Uye ni pabone. Obi akosha wachi.
Otanya bani. To that extent.
And if indeed so office so doman paying pa dia. It is high time you tell Mampai the realities of the situation. And that is what the president suffer for. There be sometimes you can do for. The bro crack in terms of briefing. Say na me anya wadum amu anya odofo bi ni obi anani da form. Odwene ho no odwene man ho a. You base almost everything you do on this paperwork. That's why Professor Mel special not surprising some of the ministries. Oh, Santa no apie.
To the white Rebecca so on who say, oh, yes, Ghana for Yaji.
Let's say Ghana to be able to do no, not to me, Yafunti, Yanti, minister, Niman as a DC, Niman MC, and him, Director General, him, and can't just say, debut, I'm Brazil. Aha, pa, dear, okay, any dear, and more minor, and more one casa, Dachi, Ubu contati, ye care for Sana Montui, Sakasawi, Sani Yewi, Sasui. Who is there to say this?
No one.
Who is there?
Obianka.
Obianio. It is on mine. Yan Shasian, Tiasiana de Bia de Ano. Now, Brofu Tintin, the Evans Mensa Kaina. It's the same script written to Ghanaians every 4 years. It is only the actors that changes. It is a Sabrina so for a Dazimune Baya. Omukwa. na fe cantata group no ma ba omo pa na fe ayi obrafo na ba eti ayasem kro na no na nipekuo no na asesa Assemble now, de biada, ye ba, near script no pepe, things will fall apart, the center will not hold, mere anarchy, a loose upon the natural. It will by another, oh, things will fall apart, the center will not be holding. Near church was it every 4 or 8 years. No? That's what they do to us at our own expense. At our own expense. Yes, one na a mayen etimiko to something. So mo pay some to me, or mo ba any berry fish. Omo baba num yensuo e baba da ye dem omo twi kontombre ma e ka banku ma yen omo hihye ye bo akese esi ye nneoma kra de ma yen eso ye nneoma ne bi edi twa nsuo de ma yen ede na asesente ene no o sa nipa no ade na na wo ko se obeye ne yie no obenya asa 2 minutes ode ye ade ne yie no ene ye bosso pe na wo chema pai ede na asesa
ntube nka
ede na asesa ede na asesa ede na asesa.
It's so disappointing. So disappointing.
Minister Beko for the cameras visitation to all various sites ebi omo ya kwan. No akeka nsema kese me ba me terminate we wo ye de adwuma na ma se ni se na wo ntimi nya adwuma na but still go there and see. Minister Probo ko nyina no go back and check the reality on the ground. Eti munyai infonyini bebrebe no. Munyai hwehwani bebrebe no. Munyai kasa bebrebe no. And yes, sir, you better try to see the biada akasa sao because na ba mu nipa na kasa no o charge wo na wo ko charge akira aba mu nipa no aba mu nipa na kasa e charge akira e why never solve your problem there ban o dem ibusa why never solve your problem there ban why never solve problem there ban
okay.
Hello, President John Dramani Mahama. So you have the nerves, insensitive president, to wear white yesterday, July 1st, you and your wife and the vice president, to go and be dancing, singing and dancing, when all the impoverished areas, the poor people, the Ghanaians, who went and stood in the sun, in the rain to vote for you, and to give you this power that you are enjoying today, to give you the title that you are holding on today, you couldn't mourn them for even 1 day or 2 days. You couldn't mourn the dead. Those who those who were killed from that flood, nobody is talking about them. The media, everybody have zipped it. When you go to Ghana web, there is no headlines. The media stations, instead of you to carry your cameras around and go and be looking at all the areas where the disaster has caused havoc, so you can caption it. The president can look at it and say that, no, we need people to go here and go and collect. You see, all the garbage that is out there, that the people are out complaining about. Nobody is talking about it. Those garbage will turn around to become cholera. And then the media will have another news to talk about. There's a cholera outbreak. Meanwhile, those garbage, they can go and collect. They can send trucks out there to start doing their duties, collecting all of them, so they don't cause disease. President John Dramani Mahama, Wuni Lodina, Madam Lodina, Bonnie Ben, Wuni Wukunu, Ghana for the Ayemo. To me share white, Mukwako celebrity. Thanksgiving for what? Instead of you to be on your knee and be calling upon Allah to have his mercy upon the country, Mother Ghana, you were dancing when families are out there calling for help, crying. You were out there dancing. Masha shoes, nice ones, and the mood dancing. Those poor areas you are not recognized on Ghana map. No, you see what the president and his wife is doing, and the vice president. I thought all of you were passionate. I'm telling you, look, I saddened my heart to see that you people were dancing when families were crying. The media people now more corrupt to mohwa. Muntumi nkwa abontin ho no mo. And massa disaster no enye caption, so that you capture it and come and show it to the world. Today, the headlines, there's nothing like the disaster story. Families are out there. Oh, they have no food. They have no shelter. They are crying. Some of them are sick. The garbage is piled in front of those houses. Nobody is out there to collect them. No caption. Nobody is discussing it. In parliament, we have the majority leader, Mama Yarga. He has the nerves to come and tell us that every year there is disaster in Ghana. Insensitive. More, cool. Sir, you have turned into Mabutu in your area there, Boko there. You will see. By the time is Allah Bamuri on Chinray. All of you, instead of you to talk for Ghanaians, you are telling us that every year you come to sit in parliament and discuss disaster and you don't give a hoot. You don't care. Where is Basintali? Where is Basintali? Mr. I know better. Mr. Action Man, I thought you were a revolutionarist. A revolutionarist. I didn't know that you are so corrupt to the brim. Instead of you to stay in your house and mount the television and watch the game, you carried, with taxpayers' money, you carried yourself and your family, your girlfriends, and whatsoever to America to go and spend taxpayers' money, hotel free, food free, first class. You were capturing yourself, making pictures, sending it to Ghanaians. You, Basintali, that you said you were going to save a public purse. You are protecting public purse. You have become so corrupt to the point where nobody can even talk about. Today, when you are moving your car, you move with 5 convoys. You are more than the president. You cannot go out there and talk about the disaster. You sit in parliament and make analysis and refer us to 8 years. When it's elections, well, come in. You see those people, those areas where they have lost all their valuable items, they have lost their families, and you are there enjoying wearing your white with your beautiful nice shoes, dancing hallelujah. No, they will come out and come and teach you a lesson.
To the wife of Mamma, comment section. Hi, Penyah Media, Accra.